This is new design for steel deck application. We call it non-demold floor deck roll forming machine. Whole roll forming line has hydraulic per shear for cutting material head and tail. There are embossing forming rollers for anti-slip (PLC), automatic size change for producing different floor deck sheets.
But they slip my hand. Dreams are sand slipping through the land. Catch my dreams, hold them tight.
One set universal cutting blades for all floor deck sheet sizes.
Oh, dream catcher.
Good overlap effect with pieces of decking sheets, no need. Pour concrete and more fast to finish your PEB construction project.